Version control is useful for lots of different things. Let me show you one of the most important if things really go wrong. So let's take a look at the controllers directory. App controllers. It's here. Hello app. App controllers. Here it is. For the Hello app, this is most of the application. There's just this in the routes. Let's take a look at the application again. And there we are, hello world. So now, what if we accidentally deleted that entire directory? We can use rm remove -rf -recursive force app controllers. So that's deleted, and close it, and now our application is broken. We can look at the status. So we see that the application controller and the subdirectory, in this case a directory called concerns, have been deleted. At this point though, Git is going to save the day. There are actually at least a couple of different ways to do this, but the command that I can most easily remember is git checkout -f for force. That restored it. App, controllers, now it's back. Git status says nothing to commit. We refresh here, there's an error. This is the sort of thing the server really doesn't like, to have a file just deleted like that. So let's try this. Let's do this. Control C to shut down the server and restart it. This is a good example of technical sophistication, saying, wait a minute, why isn't it working? And then thinking, this is the kind of thing that might have broken the server. So here we go, refresh, and we're back. Hello world. Especially when combined with a remote backup, using Git gives us an incredible peace of mind. Any change that we've recorded, and especially any change we've both recorded and pushed to a remote server, is extremely difficult to lose. I don't think I've ever lost a significant amount of work in any project under version control with Git.